Aloha, and welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today we'll be preparing for you fresh Napa Cabbage kimchi salad. Cut the Napa Cabbage into bite-sized pieces, approximately 1.5-inch squares, and place in a large bowl. Add the chives and carrot, toss gently to combine, keep chilled until ready to serve. In a separate small bowl, combine the gochugaru, garlic, ginger, green onion, fish sauce, corn syrup, apple vinegar, and sesame seed oil. Mix well until fully incorporated and refrigerate until needed. Just before serving, add in the dressing over the cabbage mixture and toss until evenly coated. Serve immediately for the best texture, as the dressing will naturally cause the cabbage to soften if it sits too long. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.